In this video, I will actually break the ice on what's actually stopping you to do the thing. It could be a to-do list, it could be your project management software, it could be your team, it could be yourself. Now, before I actually get into the context and help you understand how you could actually get more stuff done at a productivity standpoint to build $1 million business, let me actually read a quick essay. I was actually listening to this podcast by Chris Williamson and Stephen Barr. I was watching YouTube and suddenly I felt a punch in my gut. And this was a very interesting essay I've heard on Chris Williamson's podcast with Stephen Bartlett. The essay goes along these lines. It's a stranger's loop and it's a list of things that are not doing the thing. Preparing to do the thing isn't doing the thing. Scheduling some time on your calendar to do the thing isn't doing the thing. Making a to-do list in your Asana or project management software isn't doing the thing. Telling people that you're going to do the thing is not doing the thing. Messaging your friends who may or may not doing the thing isn't doing the thing. Writing a banger tweet about how you're going to do the thing isn't doing the thing. Hating yourself, going mad for not doing the thing is not doing the thing. Hating on other people who have done the thing is not doing the thing. Hating on all the obstacles which are in the way for you to get that thing done isn't doing. Fantasizing about all the adoration and success you will achieve once you actually do the thing isn't doing the thing. Reading about how to do the thing isn't doing the thing. Reading this essay or watching to this video isn't doing the thing. The only thing which is doing the thing is actually doing the thing. I love the insight that you could actually dress it up however you want. The work just needs doing. You can fluff it, you can change it, you can talk about compounding, but ultimately it comes down to sitting at the desk, recording this video, writing that email, replying to that conversation, doing that podcast. The work just needs doing, my friend. So that's the essay. I just wanted to share some wisdom words which I actually found, which I think will help you guys as entrepreneurs. Now, coming back, who am I to talk about productivity first? Let me introduce myself. I know we are a few minutes into the video. Hi, my name is Nikhil Sai. I'm the founder at Funneling Media, 19-year-old dropout, built $1 million marketing agency in 2 years while delivering over 500 million in results for our clients. Recognized as the world's youngest $100 million award winner on the most prestigious marketing stage. Let's talk about this. Doing the thing is doing the thing. The work needs doing. That is the main concept. Now, we could fantasize it as we have heard from the essay, but that's what it really comes down to. Now, I'm in the situation, this is a real talk. I have 10 long form video scripts. Each takes me 30 minutes to shoot. So that's like 5 hours of me actually shooting this content on a Sunday night, which I absolutely hate to do. But here's the reality. The work simply needs doing. So what I've done, I've found unimaginable things to be doing to actually not do the thing, which is me walking outside, me calling my friends, me calling mom, me texting on WhatsApp, me trying to talk to my brother who's in the other room, me trying to find some ways out to do something else, me binge watching YouTube for a moment. And after 3 hours of me doing all this bullshit, I mean, you can come up with absolute bullshit when you know that what's in front of you is a shit ton of work which you cannot avoid, which you need to do. You just need to confront it. And that's what it really comes down to. The work simply needs doing. And you gotta sleep up and basically get to the thing. Now, what I've done is I've fantasized it. I've wasted 15, 20 minutes, doing this and that each time, multiple times in a row before I actually start recording. Originally, the setup is done for me to shoot the content, but for me to actually shoot my first video, it took me 90 minutes. And once I actually shot that, back to back, I'm shooting the next video, which is this video. Once I shot my Now, this is what it comes down to. It's about momentum. So here is what you could actually do to break the ice to actually be doing the thing. So there is two things. Whenever you know something needs to be done, but you're unable to do, you want to first of all confront it. Don't comfort yourself by masking it up, by glamifying it, by emphasizing it. Just confront the truth that, okay, you're not doing a thing. That is the truth. No matter the reason, whatever the XYZ reason could be, you have a headache, your stomach is paining, your employee didn't show up, your computer doesn't work, all of that shit, which I just made up. Now confront the truth that you're not doing a thing. The work needs to be done. So think of, can you do it yourself? Get it. Great. If it is a task which is 100% dependent on you, like in my business, it could be me leading an enterprise level client meeting, or me creating a strategy for one of our biggest clients, or me actually being on a hiring call where I'm actually hiring an operator or somebody at a C-suite level in our own company, or me actually shooting the content on my podcast. I cannot avoid to delegate. So what I need to do, I need to confront that work and sleeve up. Now, once you sleeve up, it takes you 90 minutes before you start shooting the videos, just like what happened. So here is what you need to do. This is something you could actually start. It's called the 5-second rule. You just want to, first of all, reverse count the 5 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like imagine as if a rocket is launched. There is a book on this concept, but if you reverse count the numbers from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it really gives fake motivate yourself to get to the work. Like, if I'm like walking around to not do the thing and I confront that I need to be at my desk in my studio to actually shoot this video, like I will just like count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and just walk here and stand. Now, here is the first step to actually start. But then once you come to the place to actually start the work, how could you actually get to the work? How could you get into the doing part? Now, here's what I've done. You just want to lie to yourself. Absolutely. Like I use this every time. Like I try to go to the gym at least 5 times a week and I absolutely hate it, but you got to do it anyways, right? Like the work just needs doing. If I want to be physically fit and like stay in shape and, I went from being 54 kgs in weight to actually 70 kgs in weight, growing my muscle mass and whatnot. It only happened because I've done the work, eating clean or eating heavy calories while I'm working out. Now, coming back, this is what I do. I'll absolutely lie to myself that I will only do this 2 minutes. And this is something I stole from Ali Abdul when I saw his videos, that he just lied to himself that he's going to only do this for 2 minutes. That's it. Like I was like, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm at the desk. Now I don't want to shoot the entire video. I have 10 freaking videos to do. Here's what I'll do. I'll actually do a 2-minute video, shoot, and then I'll walk away. You really want to lie to yourself. And as much cringe as it sounds, but if you do this, you will actually get into momentum, because I shot my first video. It took me 16 minutes long to actually finish that first video. Now I'm back to back shooting my second video with no more minutes in gap. So you need to confront it. So here is the process. Not over glamify what needs to be done. Create a simple to-do list. Confront that the work isn't done. If you can delegate or automate, great. Or else if you're the one who needs to do it, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sleep up and get to the work. Lie to yourself that you're going to only do this for 2 minutes. And if it is something which is worthy enough, you will fall in love with it and you will continue to do the work. And here is something you need to avoid doing while you're actually in this process. You will find endless things, endless shiny things, which you would never usually do, which you will absolutely come up with to distract yourself from doing the thing. And you want to stay conscious when you're actually doing the thing, to stay away from it. Like I was looking at my teleprompter when I'm scripting, and then I received a notification from Instagram, which I wasted 10 minutes on. So you want to be ultra conscious. So you want to be conscious when you're actually doing the thing. You can get distracted. Your responsibility is to come back into the zone and stay focused. Few things I have done is, if you look at my iPhone, I have no social media apps whatsoever. That's one of the things which helps me zone in when I'm on my phone, because you will find yourself doing clueless shit, which you will never do in normal time. Just because you're avoiding the thing, you're conscious when you're actually doing the thing. If something is distracting you, first of all, don't get into that. But if you get into that, try to come back instantly. The quicker you come out, the better it is for you, because you can get the thing done. That's just a quick hack overall. I hope this video helps. So let's confront the truth. The truth is, doing the thing is doing the thing. Nothing else is doing the thing. So my dear friend, if you sit down and think about any business idea, or think about your own active business, and if you create a clear action plan to go from where you are to where you actually want to achieve, and create a to-do list for it, taking out 30 minutes of your time, that's it. You will create, most likely, if you have good enough common sense to run a business, you will come up with 90% accuracy to have a clear to-do list to build and achieve to that goal. The problem is that to-do list is work which needs to be done. You do not confront that work as an entrepreneur. You don't take the time and effort to build a team to actually do that, because you cannot just do everything yourself. And you don't confront the work. You wait for the easy way out. You wait for the magic to happen. This is where you need to have the David Goggins mentality kick in, which is, there is no easy way for you, Goggins. You just gotta get. So I hope this video helps. Let's confront this. If you are going to do the thing, comment down, I am doing the thing below, to just prove a commitment for yourself. Again, this is not doing the thing, but it's just a way for us to show this video to more people who might be struggling to do their thing, so that this video can actually help them and give them that extra push which they might need to actually start doing the thing. So it could be anything in your life. It's a simple rule. Confront the truth, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get to work. Lie to yourself that you're only doing this for 2 more minutes, and you will leave it after that is done. And when you're actually starting to do the thing, stay very conscious to be not distracted until the thing is done. So that's it, my dear friends. Hope this video helps. As an entrepreneur, it's really, really essential for us to live in the reality and the truth, and not be comfortable with lies which we are making up for ourselves. The reality is, I didn't make this video for the past 3 hours, and I'm dabbling around the same circle, wearing this suit, trying to distract myself. But then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the camera, lying myself that I will shoot the video for first 2 minutes. I did that. Then I finished the first video. Now I'm shooting the second video. So it is a proof that it actually works. Try it for yourself. Comment down below on how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is me, Nikhil Sai, natural dropout turned millionaire in just 2 years. I know what I'm talking about. So let's get back to work. Bye-bye. I'll shoot more videos and catch you. If you have any more topics which you would like me to cover, feel free to comment down below. Appreciate your time.